In this video, we're going to talk about everyday plan to get 8 bands in IELTS. Let's get started. Before we even start talking about any plan, let's make 2 things clear. The first thing is you have to follow the plan strictly. That means you cannot leave it in the middle. If you do that, it's a waste of time for me and you, both of us. Second thing is you need to concentrate in a day for 2 hours. That means you have to put 2 hours in a day for IELTS. Now, if you follow these 2 things, initially everything will be fine. Of course, you have to understand the plan as well, but these are the mandatory things that you have to follow. Now, if you don't want to follow this plan by yourself, we have something for you. We have started a class called IELTS Masterclass, in which we provide you 35 hours of lectures using an app or let's say website called GoToMeeting, which is very similar to Zoom. In fact, has a lot of features compared to Zoom. We will provide you complete material. That means everything you need. In fact, more than what you need, because it will be like a reference for you. Apart from that, we'll give you feedback when and as required. And finally, you will get tests after every 10 days. Moreover, there will be 2 batches possible, one in the evening, one in the morning. Morning batch will start at 9 o'clock and evening will be at 8 p.m. And you have seen my series already. You have seen what kind of quality we provide. So this will be definitely a help from our side to you guys. Okay, now let's get back to the plan what we were discussing earlier. I mean, you clicked on the video to look at the plan, and if there's no plan, it's useless, right? Don't worry, there will be a plan. In fact, I have included an Excel sheet in the description. If you click on it, you can download it. I'll discuss about it later, how to use that sheet and what is in there. But let's start with the plan itself. What we have done is, we don't want you to decide what to do every day. So everyday task is provided in the Excel sheet with, let's say, day 1, day 2, day 3, something like this. Moreover, everything you prepare has to have steps. Now we have divided your IELTS preparation plan in 3 different steps. Step 1 is understanding anything. Let's say if it's a question type, if it's a tip, or if it is just how to solve it. That is first thing, understanding what you're gonna do. Right? What question type it is, how am I going to crack it. Second thing is practicing that question type using a technique called Pomodoro. If you have no idea about Pomodoro, I'm going to provide a link in the description where where you will have the apps as well for that, and in a website explain what is Pomodoro. Last thing is feedback and reviews. See, in this case we can help you. When you register for the IELTS Masterclass, you'll be able to get feedbacks from us. If you don't want to register, that's fine. You can get feedback or reviews from your parents, from your friends, or if you have a partner. That's what I mean. This plan is possible to be followed by you and yourself. You just need some people to help you. Okay, so the method is simple. 3 things. First one, understand what question type it is, how to do it. Second one, practice it. And third one, get reviews. It sounds simple, but it's not actually. I mean, of course it's possible, but you have to spend 2 hours in a day, like I said earlier. Initially 40 minutes to understand the question type and another 40 minutes to practice on that part. And once you have practiced, you might see some faults, you might see some problems. Those problems will be solved in feedback part. So this is like in a tandem with each other, right? Let's say even after feedback, you didn't understand the question type. We keep that in a loop because every day we have a new question type to understand, right? Because according to Excel sheet, you'll be able to finish IELTS by yourself in 45 days. Yeah, I know classes are 35 days. That's separate. If you guys want to register, that is different thing. Now let me explain what is there in the Excel sheet. You have on the left, as you can see, there are a lot of tasks provided according to the question type. And on the right side, you have 3 tabs. The first one says, I understood it. Second one says, I have practiced this. And third one says, I have received feedback. So understood, practiced, and feedback. That means you know it is done. And finally, after every 10 days, we have provided in the Excel sheet that you have a full test that you take. If you are not taking the class from here, IELTS Masterclass, you can go by doing full task at your place. No problem about that. But if you follow this, trust me, within 45 days, you will be able to get the bands you desire. See, right now you have an idea how much you can get. In order to enhance it by some number, that means some bands, you have to follow this task. I hope it is clear here what I'm trying to say here. If you follow this plan, you can do it by yourself. But if you need some help, if you want to accelerate this process, if you want to do it quickly, then you can go for IELTS Masterclass. The link is provided in the description, and you can click on it and register yourself. The new batch will be starting within 8 days. I think it's on 5th. So that way you'll be able to start. Please remember, once registrations are full, we won't be able to take you in this batch. Okay, so make sure you do within coming 3 to 4 days, otherwise seats are generally full. I hope you got something new. Don't forget to download everything from the description, and good luck for your endeavor to go abroad.